Well, if you're looking at buying your first home, you should definitely consider house hacking. Now, this doesn't work for everyone's area or situation, but check this out. With house hacking, you could buy a 2 to 4 unit property using FHA financing with as little as 3.5% down or VA financing with 0 down. And you could use the potential rents from those other units, even if they're vacant, to help you qualify for that home purchase. So house hacking is basically you living in one of the units, renting out the rest, and having the rent from those other units covering your mortgage payment completely. So ideally, once you have your full mortgage payment covered and you're living there for free, you're able to then easily save another down payment to buy your next home, thus building your real estate empire. And what most people don't know is you could buy another primary residence in as little as 12 months with only 5% down. So imagine if you're able to rinse and repeat this process every 12 months, what will your life look like in 10 years? And I know people that do this with single family homes and just rent out all the bedrooms, they convert their garage and rent out the garage, or they even rent the units room by room as well for even more cash flow. Now, there is a clear roadmap on exactly how to do this, and this is exactly how I started building my rental portfolio, which is now producing 6 figures in passive income every year. Not to mention, other people are paying down the mortgage for me. I have the properties growing in value, giving me more equity and appreciation. And I could tap back into that equity in the future and buy even more real estate. Want more real estate tips? Follow me here.